So here we have a text box. So how do we listen to the user input and then use what is entered within our React application? I want to get this value. To do that, we're going to store the value in what we call a state. So let's come into our app component. So we're going to use a UseState Hook, and we're going to declare, I'm going to call it search term, and the initial value is going to be empty. We have defined a component around the input text. What I'm going to do is define the event handler within the parent component and then pass it down as a prop to the input search component. So let's do that. Then we're going to pass in here this function and get the set search input. Now on change, I'm going to set search input, pass in e.target.value. I'm going to console.log here and let's enter elegant. So you see search input elegant.